In 2023, Zimbabwe was ranked 149th, meaning the level of corruption has increased, with the South African country slipping 9 steps down the scale. Zvinapinda panshoko anoona kuti aiwa Pamela Tremont uya achikompera Zimbabwe neSouth Africa achiona kuti aiwa South Africa muna 2023 inotodzika aiwa 9 steps, aiwa ichiratidza kuti corruption yepo iri kudzikira, but nyika yeZimbabwe it is striking and skyrocketing. Zvinoratidza kuti corruption yenyika yeZimbabwe iri kutowedzera as we are going aiwa beyond. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Panapa tichipinda Change Radio vamudanyira chiti currently questions have raised over the cost of the recently commissioned Trabablas interchange in Harare. Many believe the $88 million price tag is excessive compared to regional market rates. Students at University of Zimbabwe are missing classes and exams as their lecturers remain on strike. The teachers are asking for better pay. They are paid $230 a month. The ministry responsible for higher education is not doing anything to address the lecturers' concerns. To make matters worse, the chancellor of the University of Zimbabwe, Mr. Mnangagwa, was busy hosting a class reunion for his law school 1975 kinsman from University of Zambia. How insensitive is that? The old Madalas of Zambia don't get it. The latest Corruption Perceptions Index (CPI) reflects a worsening corruption situation in Zimbabwe. Public sector, according to Transparency International (TI), and the country has performed poorly on global corruption indices for years. The CPI ranks Zimbabwe 158th out of 180 countries, where the top-ranked country is perceived to have the most honest public sector. Thomas Karuda panguva inonyatsoprova kuti aiwa the Mnangagwa government yazonyanya. Corruption yayo inonyatsoonekwa kunzi aiwa munhu angamborarame munyika makadai, and people they are really struggling. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina kuma section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.